Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Netflix app not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your app store and go to search bar and type in Netflix. And let's see whether our app needs an update or not. So you can see our Netflix requires an update. We're going to tap on this update option. And now once the update is done, we will be able to sort out the problem of it not working and lagging in between. In case this also doesn't help, you gotta go to your settings of your device and simply access the search panel and type in storage. Once you access it, simply scroll down a bit, and when you find your Netflix app, go ahead, tap on it. Now tap on this offload app. This will simply remove all the storage used by the app, but will still keep the document and the data of yours. You can simply choose to offload it and reinstall it. That way you will be able to remove all of the unnecessary data and storage it was holding. That will simply help out with all the unnecessary errors of your app that you have been encountering while using, and you will be able to again use it with sufficiently like that. So make sure to do those 2 steps that I have mentioned over here and you will be done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.